Welcome back to CAD station. Today we are going to show you how to use sheet metal, and the first command that is in the sheet metal is a sheet flange that is used to convert any sketch into sheet. So here you can find this in here there is a little description of how to use a sheet metal features. So let's start. SolidWorks, new part, and first of all I'm going to select the top plane, sketch, center rectangle, from the origin, smart dimension, this is 152 by 152, it's a square. Now we commonly use features to change our 2D sketch into 3D, but today we are going to use sheet metal base flange. Here you can find the base flange or base tab. Here you can sheet metal parameters, that means the thickness of your sheet metal, that I put 2 mm. K factor it's constant 0.5, but you can change it from here, that's constant. Ratios, so I'm not going to change this whole. And we have created a sheet metal. Now next is we have done with this sheet metal. Next it's asking to use this edge flange. So edge flange, what is the edge flange? Adds a wall to an edge of a sheet metal part. That means that's my sheet metal. If I want to create the walls on any of the sides, so I can use this edge flange. For this, simply I have to select edge flange, come to edge of my sheet metal and stretch it up. Similarly, if I want to create here, so here, if I want to create on this side, so I can use this side. If I want to close the all walls, so I can use this. Now next I have the options. I can change the radius, I can change its the bending radius, I can change the angle, if I want to change the angle. So here you can see how it's changing. Okay, let's put it 90 degrees, it's perpendicular walls. Now next is if I want to change the height, so 80 mm, 50 mm, 120 mm. And next is one of the most important, flange position. You can see here, that's my base sheet metal from here, and the edge flange is going to be created outside of this. If I click here, look, it's getting side of the sheet metal. If I click here, it will be on the same, half inside and half outside. If I click here, you can see the changes and the changes. This one is used when I am using the I'm not using the perpendicular walls, but at that time uh, this one is good. Now this is how I can change a 2D sketch into sheet metal by using the base flange tab and how to use edge flange. In the next tutorial I'm going to describe how to use this miter flange, and next to this we can see how to use hem. So keep tuned for exploring how to use sheet metals commands. So like the video, share to your friends and subscribe to the station. Thank you.